So the problem with Thar's soft top is this. You can see the water is coming inside. It is leaking through this soft top, and the situation here is not that ideal. So I would recommend you to buy a company fitted hard top which is available in the modern Thars. और उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि आप जब यहाँ पर देखेंगे, you can see water here in Mahindra Thar, and this will inherently lead to rusting of my car. Lot of water is here, so I would not recommend any one of you to buy a soft top for this particular reason, and it is because of a cut here, and I somehow tried to manage, but it's not working anymore. So फ्लोर मैट को हटाने के बाद यहाँ पर इन्होंने दे रखा है, जिसको आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से फिर पानी ड्रेन आउट हो जाएगा, एंड you can see the level of water in my Thar, and I can understand the intensity of the loss which I could face if I don't remove this water, and this could certainly rust the lower body. And so I'm going to keep it like this, and it will take me around at least I will put it like this for a day, so that this particular water comes out.